What is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. If you're looking for some cool kind of themes for a Xiaomi device running MIUI 12, I have some themes, and actually these are all these three themes but has some customizations. You can say not actually customizations, but I have installed all these three themes and make a customized theme. As you can see, some icons are from iOS and status bar icons are a little bit of different, and we also have the dialer pad is also different, but all these things are not included in a single theme. Also, let me show you this kind of thing. These are not included in a single theme. You download three themes for that, and I'll show you that which are the things you need to customize so that you'll make a very good kind of good custom theme for yourself. Now let's get started. Let's find out. Okay, guys, all these themes are available on the theme store, global theme store. And yes, if you are using a stock ROM, if you're using any MIUI 12, you might get this kind of theme store on your device. We already know about that. And here we have all those themes available. I'm going to share with you all these themes link in the description. If you're looking for all these themes, I'll provide you the link in the description. Also, if you're using any other custom ROM, then you might get the MTZ file also. What you need to do is you need to download all these four themes which are required, and these are all different themes. And what you need to do is you just need to apply one theme once. For example, I have applied this theme. Okay, so just click here, click on apply once. After, the second thing which you need to do is you need to customize your theme. Here we have the option of customize theme, so just click on customize theme, and here we will see all the things which are needed to customize. As you can see, icons are from some other theme, lock style is from other theme, status bar is from other theme. All these things are customized. Even the boot animation is also available here. All the things are available. How you can do that? For example, you downloaded all those three themes. I have the new lock self which is from IOX Pro Dual, so just use this one, and this is our lock screen. By default in iOS Smile, the theme which I have applied so far does not include this kind of lock screen, but now as we have just customized our theme, so we took the lock screen from other theme, so to make it more look familiar with you, like kind of that. We have status bar related things also. This status bar, as you can see, I have this kind of status bar icons, the Wi-Fi, network and battery indicator. These are not included in this theme or anywhere else, but it's included in this one. So these icons I were looking for it, and yes, it's available. So in the status bar I have selected all these themes. We have chosen this nature mode one. It looks better and clean. Now we have the icons, and icons are same which I was looking for, which means the simple smile iOS. You can see like this one, we have the smile iOS icons, and wallpapers are from here. You can customize many things, up to you. We already know about the customize theme options available. Messaging is same here. Dial pad is also changed by default in nature mode, etc. We have this, and you in the Smile X iOS version, iOS theme, you don't get this kind of dialer pad, but by applying this IOX Pro one, we have the dialer pad changed. As you can see, we have different dialer pad, and also after applying those themes, we have this kind of indicator option available, which I was looking for, looking really impressive and great. All these themes link in the description. We also have the boot animation, so let me show you the boot animation one, so that you'll see that it also includes the iOS boot animation, which looks very impressive and interesting. All these theme links in the description. You can go and install theme store links, and including that the MTZ filing, all these in the description. If you're using a custom MIUI 12 ROM, you might get all those MTZ file links. Go and install them manually one by one. Or as of course, if you're using a stock one, these themes are already available on theme story, so you don't need to use a MIUI theme editor for that. But yes, if you're using a custom ROM, you can simply manually install the MTZ file directly by going into theme. In the Chinese theme store, we already have the import option, so I don't need to worry about anything. This is our ROM which we are just booting, and you will see new boot animation called iOS. So just wait for it to open and wait for this latest boot animation. The iOS logo, which means iOS boot animation here, which is included in the Smile iOS version, Smile iOS theme, which you can go and try it out. These were the things I just wanted to let you know. The links are in the description. Make sure to check out that one. This is all. Thanks for watching and goodbye.